Accessibility Moment by versatileaccessibility.ca. What we have here is a NABCO door operator system for a barrier-free washroom. As you can see, we have a panic alarm and a strobing light up here. We have a push button and an occupied light. Simply press the button and the door slowly opens up, and then we can come on into the washroom. With these washrooms, we also have to have an automatic latch on the door. We also have to have an automatic latch on the door, as well as a panic alarm button with a sign, a lever function, storeroom function lock set, and inside the bathroom, what we also have is another push plate to open up the washroom and a push to lock button. So now, if my assistant wants to go outside, I will push the lock button and we will see the occupied light lighting up. So go on out, please. Thank you. So as you saw, when I pushed the lock button, the washroom locked and the system reset itself. Thank you very much. I'm just going to put the panic alarm down now. I'll press the button again. And with the panic alarm, simply someone falls, they press this button. And there's an audible alarm as well as a light that indicates someone is in need